Hi guys, today in this video we will learn how to analyze the cash flow statement based on comparative or horizontal analysis in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so before I show you the preparation or analysis of cash flow statement, first we have to take the cash flow statement data. Okay, so you can see that we have a 6-year cash flow statement data, okay, as well as the sales revenue. Actually the sales revenue doesn't require for the preparation of comparative cash flow statement. However, I have kept it because I have just copied from the common size cash flow statement, because the common size cash flow statement requires the sales revenue. Okay, alright, so this is our main data. So based on this data we will prepare the comparative cash flow statement. Alright, so without spending more time, let's get started. Alright, you can see that this is our question data that I have just copied from sheet 2 to sheet 3, and this is the calculation area where we will calculate the percentage of all the component of cash flow statement. Okay, so before I start to show you the calculation of all the component of the cash flow statement, first let me tell you what is comparative cash flow statement. So actually the comparative cash flow statement is the statement that shows the cash position of the organizations over different periods for which comparison is made. Okay, you can see this is the final or closing cash or cash equivalent balance that is showing in a different period of times at different amount of money. Okay, so this is showing in terms of amount, but we will calculate or express in a percentage form. Okay, so first click here, and now let's start to calculate the percentage of all the component of cash flow statement. Why I have selected this column instead of this? Because the 2020 first requires the data of 2020, but you can see that we don't have the 2020 data. That's why I have selected the column 2022, because according to the comparative cash flow statement or any comparative statement, it has the formula that provides the change amount that can be calculated as current value minus previous value, and if you will shows or expressed in terms of percentage, then we have to divide by the previous value. Okay, so this is the formula of comparative. Okay, so click here, and now let's start to calculate the percentage. Alright, so first press the equal to sign, and now press the open parenthesis, and now let's select the current data of this year, that is this one. Now press the minus sign, and now select the previous year data, that is this one, and now press the close parenthesis. Now press the divide sign from your keyboard, and now let's select the previous data, that is this one, and now press the enter key, and you can see that we got the value 10%. That is showing in the percentage form because I have already changed this selection area format from general to percentage. You can change the format from here to here. Alright, now click here and simply now put the cursor here and drag right here. Alright, you can see. Now put the cursor here, make sure that you have selected all these cells. Okay, and now drag down from here to here. Alright, now you can see that some error in this area. Why? Because there is no value, that is showing 0 value. Alright, so to fix this error, just click here and now go to the formula bar and click here, and now let's add one function called if error. Okay, so type if error and now press the tab, you can see. Okay, and now press the open parenthesis. Okay, and now click here at the last of the formula, and now press the comma, and now put the value 0. Now press the close parenthesis. Okay, and now press the enter key, and now click here and simply drag from here to here, and now double click on this corner to drag down the formula. Alright, you can see we are successfully fixed the error. Alright, now let's add the border here. Okay, so select this range and now press Ctrl V to bold it first, and now let's add the border by using the keyboard shortcut key, which is Alt HBD, and you can see. Alright, and now click here and now select from here to here, and now press Ctrl C to copy it, and now click here, now paste here by pressing the Ctrl V. Similarly click here and now press Ctrl V to paste it, and now similarly click here, now press Ctrl V to paste it. Alright, okay, now press Ctrl S to save it. Now let's delete unnecessary data which is not showing any item of cash flow statement. Alright, for example in this area you can see that there is no any item here, so click here and now select this range, and now press the delete button from your keyboard. Okay, similarly select this one and now select this one by pressing the Control key from your keyboard and now press the delete button from your keyboard to remove the value. Alright. Similarly, select this one with the help of mouse and now press the Control key and select this one. And now press the delete button from your keyboard to remove the value. Alright, you can see. Now you can see that we are successfully calculated value to all the component of cash flow statement, okay, in terms of percentage. Now based on these findings or calculated values, we can interpret the result. For example, the cash received from sales, which is 10% showing in the year 2022. That means the cash amount is increased by 10% in the 2022 from the 2021. You can see that in the 2021 there were 3.5 million cash sales, while in the year 2022 there were 3.85 million cash sales, which is increased by 10%. Similarly, for other year you can compare it. This is the comparison techniques to interpret the result. Alright, so guys, it's a very easy to prepare it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Signing off.